Remove the gasket. Using the locking ring installation tool, push down on the locking ring and turn counterclockwise to unlock the ring. Flip the device over and push the interior to remove the casing and the locking ring. Remove the interior top. Remove the contacts. Place the contacts in their appropriate slots of the interior bottom. 1, 2, 3, and neutral are clearly identified. Ground is always the center. The interior top has a hole plug inserted in the hole location that is not being used. Align the phase 1 contact with the phase 1 hole on the interior top piece and slide over the contacts. This device has been configured at position 4. Align the notch in the interior piece to the positioning tab inside the inlet casing. With the vertical tabs up, align the 4 glides on the locking ring to the 4 slots on the inlet casing. Use the locking ring installation tool to push down on the locking ring and rotate in a clockwise direction until it locks into place. To verify that it is locked, check to see that the locking tab on the locking ring is inside one of the 4 slots of the inlet casing. Attach the gasket.